Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the custom MACD indicator for MT4. All right. So basically, as the name implies, this is a customized version of the MACD indicator that you know. All right. So this indicator is designed to give momentum insights, right? Clearer trend signals and better trade setups. At least that is what it's designed to do, right? The MACD, the moving average convergence divergence indicator, is actually one of the most widely used technical indicators out there. Okay, so this custom made indicator actually, intends to give more um, insights, or rather better signals, intends to give better signals. As you can see, just like how the traditional indicator is, the custom MACD fluctuates within an indicator window, right? So in this case, when you have the red line, when you have the red line being uh, above these blue stars, right? Others, this XXX blue X line, X made line, right? When you have the red line cross below the other line, it's a sell signal. Okay, you are, that bearish crossover is giving you a signal that bearish momentum is prevailing in the market. Okay, as you can see, what happened here. Um, uh sorry, I mean when the blue crosses below the red. Okay, when the blue crosses below the red, so you can see what happened here. After the crossover occurred, we can see that there was actually a sell move, right? And on the other hand, when the blue, this star looking line, right, made up of all these x's, right? So when the blue line crosses above the red, it's a buy signal, showing you that there is bullish momentum prevailing in the market. Okay, so it's very straightforward. The signals are very straightforward. Okay, so I will recommend trading in the direction of the trend. So in a bullish trend, you want to look out for bullish crossovers, yeah, and in a bearish trend, you want to look out for bearish crossovers. That way your chances of success tends to be higher compared to when you are trading against the trend. All right, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do that and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content that we post regularly on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.